Alright, we are back at Progressive Farm GH just to show you the ripening process. Our peppers in the truncated bottles, man. You see? Oh man, a whole lot, man. Oh man, this is so nice, man. You can see I harvested some, I think 2 weeks ago. Yeah, you can see peppers, they are giant. They are not just small peppers, they are giant peppers. Nice. Yeah. Alright, the harvest. I've next some new ones. These are the bonnet ones. The bonnet pepper, they are a lot, so I have some on the other side too. Thank you very much. Keep practicing. Agriculture is the key, man.